this tunnel is an 11-kilometer long road leading through the narrow valley Hjølmadalen up to 900 meters above sea level. There is a very popular starting point for hiking on the Hardangerfjord high mountain plateau. We'll soon be at the Norwegian Nature Center, which is a modern and exciting experience center for natural and cultural history. Here you will be welcomed by a guide who will take you to the cinema, where you can watch the great panoramic movie on 5 large screens produced by Ivo Caprino. Afterwards, you can walk through 3 floors of exhibitions. Take a closer look at the wildlife, nature and climate. Explore the interaction between nature and culture. By watching, touching, listening and learning, you become an active and creative part of the exhibition. There's a souvenir shop and a restaurant with local food on the other side of the road. Important! Information about the continuation of the trip will be announced by the driver. see the river Blureio, also a popular salmon river. On the other side of the river, you can see parts of the old cart road. It was the first road up the valley. There has been trails leading through this valley up to the high mountain for a long time, all the way back to the Middle Ages. Eidfjord power plant. This was previously the only plant that provided power to Eidfjord. Now it serves as a backup power plant. You can still see parts of the old road. The work to build the old road in the Morbe Valley started in 1904 and didn't finish until 1916. The road was partly built by hand. Up until 1986, the road was used for traffic. Now it's used only as a hiking and bike trail. On your right-hand side, you can see an old farm, the Morbe farm, which was inhabited until 1970. After the pestilence that ravaged Norway in the 14th century, the farm was deserted and was not in use again until 2 centuries later. Due to rapid build, there was no road up the valley. Most of the material used to build the hotel had to be carried on horseback up the steep 1,300 steps that are carved into the mountain and 125 curves up to Morbeberget. During the next 4 tunnels up the Morbe Valley, you will hear music from Norway's famous composer Edvard Grieg. He stayed several times at the Fossli Hotel and he composed, among others, Opus 66 here. You will now hear Solveig's song. Now we'll soon arrive at the Fossli Hotel at 700 meters above sea level. The hotel is close to the spectacular viewing platforms overlooking the best-known water.